guys, welcome to my video and don't forget to like, share, comment this video and subscribe this channel, right? I want to tell you about some article in investing.com. Let's study it. The US releases a bag of economy data that are all likely to be pretty negative. The Biden administration is to start trade talks with Taiwan in the fall. Following on from two high-level congressional visits to the island this month, China's stocks fell, not helped by another dire update from a real estate developer. Stocks are in a holding pattern ahead of the data, with Cisco the standout after strong earnings late on Wednesday. But Beth and Beyond is in for a third time after Iran Cohen ends to short squeeze party, and Russia is threatening Europe with a catastrophic nuclear incident that it say will be caused by Ukrainian shelling of the Zaporizhzhia power plant. Here is what you need to know in financial markets on Tuesday, 18th August. First, US data deluge, jobless claims, Philippine and existing home sales. A trifecta of US economic data is likely to set the market scores for the day, offering the latest insight into the housing and labor markets and the manufacturing sector. The Philadelphia Federal Reserve's business survey is likely to draw most attention, with the market looking for corroboration or refutation of the awful Empire State Manufacturing Survey earlier in the week. The Fed survey tends to be a better reflection of national trends. One number almost continuing to be as dismal is exciting home sales data for July, which will most likely track weak development already seen in the NAHB survey and housing starts and building permits number for the month. Otherwise, initial jobless claims are expected to have inched up to 265 last week, which would represent a 7-month hike. Second, US Taiwan trade talks. Nancy Pelosi's visit was no isolated incident. In the wake of a visit by senior congressmen and women earlier this week, the U.S. announced late on Wednesday that it will begin talks on the new trade pact with Taiwan later this year. The negotiations will cover technology and agriculture, among other sectors, and will aim to find ways to respond to distortive practices of state-owned enterprises and non-market policies and practices. The U.S. Trade Representative's Office said, without naming the elephant across Taiwan's straits. Taiwan's and China's stocks all fell on the fear of rising tension between the world's two largest economies. China's sentiment was helped either by a big profit warning from Century Garden, the latest real estate developer to be stressed by the ongoing devaluing crisis. Okay, Maybe that's all for me in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. And see you next time.